Many chosen ones and starseeds are feeling overwhelmed by the intense energies surrounding us today. This psychic overload can make it hard to focus, causing stress and confusion. But there's a powerful way to find relief and regain your balance: grounding yourself in 5D. Grounding isn't just about connecting with the earth. It's about aligning with higher dimensions while staying present. In this video, we'll explore how you can ground yourself in 5D to stop the psychic overload and live a more balanced life. Without grounding, the psychic overload can take a serious toll on your well-being. You might feel constantly stressed, unable to think clearly, and disconnected from your true self. This can lead to physical symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and emotional instability. Your relationships and daily life can also suffer as a result. Grounding is essential to prevent these negative consequences and to thrive as a chosen one or starseed. By grounding in 5D, you can manage the intense energies and stay centered, no matter what challenges you face. As a chosen one or starseed, grounding is even more important. You are highly sensitive to energies and need to stay balanced to fulfill your mission. Grounding helps you manage the intense energies you encounter and ensures that you remain focused and centered. This practice is essential for maintaining your emotional and mental well-being, allowing you to stay aligned with your higher purpose. Grounding also enhances your ability to connect with higher frequencies and access deeper spiritual insights. This connection is vital for your spiritual growth and for supporting others on their journeys. By grounding yourself regularly, you create a stable foundation that allows you to navigate the complexities of your spiritual path with ease and grace. This practice is not just beneficial for you, but also for those around you, as it enables you to be a source of stability and support. Make grounding a daily habit. Spend time in nature, practice mindfulness, and stay hydrated. These small steps can make a big difference in managing psychic overload. Spending time in nature allows you to connect with the Earth's energy and absorb its stabilizing vibrations. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, help you stay present and centered, reducing the impact of external energies. Staying hydrated is also important, as water helps to balance your energy field and support your overall well-being. Incorporating grounding practices into your daily routine can help you maintain a sense of balance and stability, even in the face of intense energies. By making grounding a regular part of your life, you create a strong, energetic foundation that supports your spiritual growth and enhances your ability to navigate the challenges of your spiritual path. Grounding yourself in 5D is key to managing psychic overload and staying balanced as a chosen one or starseed. By recognizing the signs of psychic overload and incorporating grounding practices into your daily routine, you can maintain your emotional and mental well-being and enhance your spiritual growth. Grounding helps you stay centered and connected to your higher purpose, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with ease and grace. Remember to spend time in nature, practice mindfulness, and stay hydrated to support your grounding efforts. By making grounding a regular part of your life, you create a stable foundation that allows you to fulfill your mission and support others on their spiritual journeys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Grounding in 5D means connecting with the higher dimensions of existence while remaining rooted in the present moment. It's about being in harmony with both the spiritual and physical aspects of life. When you're grounded in 5D, you can access higher wisdom and insights while staying firmly connected to your body and the earth. This balance helps you navigate the complexities of life with clarity and purpose. Grounding in 5D allows you to experience the best of both worlds, the physical and the spiritual, and to integrate these aspects into a cohesive whole. Psychic overload can manifest in many ways, and recognizing these symptoms is the first step towards managing them. You might experience constant headaches that don't seem to have a physical cause, or you might feel unusually tired even after a good night's sleep. Emotional instability is another common symptom. You might find yourself swinging between moods, feeling fine one moment and overwhelmed the next. Confusion and difficulty concentrating are also signs that you might be dealing with psychic overload. You might feel disconnected from your surroundings, as if you're not fully present. These symptoms can be debilitating, but understanding them helps you realize the importance of grounding yourself in 5D. Psychic overload happens when you absorb too many energies from your surroundings, leading to a state of energetic overwhelm. This can make you feel tired, anxious, and disconnected from your true self. As a chosen one or starseed, you are more sensitive to these energies, which means you are more likely to experience psychic overload. Recognizing the signs of psychic overload is the first step towards managing it effectively. You might feel a constant sense of fatigue, an inability to focus, or a heightened sense of anxiety. These are all indicators that your energetic system is overloaded and needs grounding. Understanding the nature of psychic overload helps you take proactive steps to manage it and prevent it from disrupting your life. There are several effective techniques for grounding yourself in 5D, and incorporating them into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Meditation is one of the most powerful methods. By sitting quietly and focusing on your breath, you can connect deeply with both the earth and higher dimensions. Visualize roots growing from your body into the earth while simultaneously imagining a light connecting you to the cosmos. Spending time in nature is another excellent way to ground yourself. Walking barefoot on grass, sitting by a tree, or simply being outdoors can help you feel more connected. Practicing mindfulness in your daily activities, such as eating or walking, also brings you into the present moment, fostering a strong sense of grounding in 5D. Grounding in 5D offers numerous benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. When you are grounded, you experience a sense of clarity and peace that allows you to navigate life's challenges with ease. You become more resilient to stress and can handle emotional upheavals better. Grounding helps you stay connected to your true self, making it easier to follow your intuition and inner guidance. This connection can lead to greater creativity and problem-solving abilities. Grounding in 5D strengthens your spiritual connections, helping you to receive insights and wisdom from higher dimensions. As a result, you feel more balanced, centered, and capable of living your life with purpose and joy. Establishing a daily grounding routine is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing psychic overload. Start by setting aside specific times each day for grounding activities. Morning meditation can set a peaceful tone for the day, while evening practices can help release any accumulated stress. Combine different techniques such as meditation, visualization, and spending time in nature to create a comprehensive routine. Consistency is key. The more regularly you practice grounding, the more stable and balanced you will feel. Tailor your routine to fit your lifestyle, ensuring that it is both enjoyable and effective. Using tools can enhance your grounding practices and make them more effective. Crystals like hematite, black tourmaline, and smoky quartz are known for their grounding properties. Carrying these stones or placing them in your environment can help stabilize your energy. Essential oils such as cedarwood, sandalwood, and frankincense also promote grounding. Diffuse these oils or apply them to your skin during meditation to deepen your connection to the earth and higher dimensions. Grounding mats and barefoot walking can provide physical grounding by allowing direct contact with the earth. These tools serve as valuable allies in your grounding journey. It's important to have strategies for grounding during episodes of psychic overload. When you feel overwhelmed, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Close your eyes and visualize roots extending from your feet into the earth, anchoring you firmly. Focus on your breath, inhaling calm and exhaling stress. If possible, go outside and connect with nature, even if it's just for a few minutes. Touching a tree, walking barefoot on grass, or simply sitting on the ground can quickly help you feel more grounded. These techniques can provide immediate relief and help you regain your balance. The mirror cycle reflects our internal state and our external reality. Most people observe their current reality and let it dictate their feelings and actions. To change this, start by forming a clear image of what you want to experience. Turn your back on current negative reflections and focus on the positive image you wish to project. Consistently reinforce this new image with positive thoughts and actions. Over time, the mirror of reality will begin to reflect these changes. This reversal empowers you to become a co-creator of your reality, aligning your inner state with your desired external outcomes. Grounding yourself in 5D is essential for chosen ones and starseeds to manage psychic overload and lead a balanced, fulfilling life. By recognizing the symptoms of psychic overload and employing effective grounding techniques, you can maintain your connection to both the earth and higher dimensions. Establishing a daily grounding routine, using supportive tools, and employing strategies during overload episodes will help you stay centered. Reversing the mirror cycle empowers you to shape your reality consciously. Embrace these practices, and you'll find yourself more resilient, clear-headed, and in tune with your true self. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe to our channel, share this video, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Take care and see you soon.